Cheoff Geoff here. Welcome to my bar. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button. If you like what you're seeing, give me a big thumbs up. So, if you want to think like a chef, you know, sometimes guys, you got to practice gratitude. And I'm just feeling truly humbled today. I've just recently reached 1,000 subscribers, and that's just a huge milestone. And I can't believe I'm here after 6 months, and it's just such a humbling experience, and I'm just truly grateful to all of you guys as subscribers and the support I've really gotten in this community. It's just a wonderful feeling, and I really want to talk to you guys about how great this is. So a little further into the video, I really want to try to engage some of this community, and I've got a little bit of an idea for a contest, but we'll get back to that a little bit later. First things first, I'm going to celebrate with a classic New Orleans style cocktail called Sazerac. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick something from the bar here, and no, not using Newfie Screech. It's usually used with Cognac, so I got a couple here. We're going to go with some Hein. So getting out of the bar, getting back in the kitchen. See you there in a couple of minutes. Cheers. Okay, we're back in the kitchen, guys, and we're going to make the Sazerac. Now, traditionally, a Sazerac comes from New Orleans, and it's about 150 years old. It's one of the oldest American classic cocktails. It's kind of been changed over the years to be made with Sazerac rye, but originally, all that time ago, it was with Cognac. So what we're going to start with is just a few dashes of Peychaud's bitters. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go with 2 ounces of Cognac, and this is one of my absolute favorite spirits. I kind of call it liquid dessert. It's a perfect kind of spirit to have at the end of a nice heavy meal, but it's also really great to work with with different cocktail applications. Now we're going to throw it over a little bit of ice. We're going to add some simple syrup as well. This simple syrup has just a touch of star anise in it, and I'll explain the reason why I'm using it in just a moment. So we're just going to stir this baby up. And the ice is going to help dilute the cocktail just slightly, and we're going to let it chill for a moment. And dilution is a really important part of cocktails as well. Perfect. So we're going to prepare the glass. Traditionally, the Sazerac is used with a wash of either Pernod or absinthe. I have neither of those two things, so we're going to go with a little Campari. And this is like 1/4 of an ounce, not even. I'm just going to wash the glass, and it's just going to give it that nice kind of tinny finish. So now this has been chilled for just a moment. We're going to strain it. So absinthe and things like that have kind of anise kind of finish. So in order to replicate that anise, that's why I added the star anise in my simple syrup. So we're almost there. We're going to add just a touch of lemon to brighten it up. Get her in there. And this, my friends, is a Sazerac, and it's a wonderful cocktail to share with your friends. So, as I was saying before, I'm at 1,000K subscribers, and the truth is, I would not be here without my amazing partner, Jody. I know that some of you guys know about her, and you know that she's the camera person, she's the executive producer, she's the brains of the operation. And I can't believe after 6 months, here we are, 1,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful to you. So my first cheers once again, Jody, is to you. Cheers. So 999 ways to cook. Dude, you make the coolest food. I love the intensity of your style, and it's so intense that it makes me, spill my drink, which is fine as well. But I want to recognize you and the support you've given me and so forth, and I really think you're gonna hit the top, bud. So cheers to you. To my cousin Adam Alfano and his awesome band, A Day's Wait, I just really want to say thank you for letting me use your just awesome song last year in my intro. So to you, cousin, cheers. Easy peasy Delicacy, a fellow Torontonian, your food is so authentic and just delicious. And I really want to recognize, first of all, let's go Raptors. Second of all, love your channel. Guys, check her out. Cheers. Okay, the line cook. Your channel, it gets me every time. You go fishing on the beach, and then you go and produce some just delicious restaurant food from the food you caught. I love your energy and the style that you produce. Your content's awesome. Cheers to you, the line cook. Alinas Kitchen. The style of your channel is just so relaxing, and you do all these beautiful outdoor shots, all of the food you're producing and the smoothies and so forth. Love it. You've been on my side for a while. I just really want to recognize your awesome channel and the support you've given me. So Alina in your kitchen and your mom, cheers. I'm so grateful to be a part of this awesome community. I've been able to do some great collaborations as well. So I'm thinking about everybody involved in the hashtag drink tips. I've been lucky enough to do an awesome collaboration with Uncle Matt. And so I'm just so excited to be a part of this kind of food tube community, and I want to really kind of give back to you guys a little bit. So I kind of teased at the beginning of this video about a contest. So what I want from you guys is leave into the comments a recipe you want me to make. I'm gonna make it, but the person who has the most amount of likes on that recommendation is the one I'm gonna make. I'll shout out your channel, and we'll have some delicious food. So I really hope we can, you guys will come up with some cool ideas and challenge me a little bit. So, to everyone who has watched these videos and made the food and commented and been a part of the support that's gotten me to this 100K, ooh, that's big, 1K milestone, I'm just so grateful to all of you, and I'm so humbled, and at the end of the day, I wouldn't be here without everybody's eyeballs. So once again, guys, from my kitchen to yours, cheers.